myself on the video, and I can't feel like a supermodel, but I learned to love myself unconditionally because I am queen.
What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Kelsey. You already know who it is. So today, look, I'm gonna jump straight into it. I'm so excited to do a look with this palette. I bought it a few weeks back. It's by Pinky Rose. A lot of people don't talk about her palettes, and I'm glad I came across her. The original palette the first palette that I bought from her was this palette right here. It's called Pinky Rose Cosmetics Rustic Rose. And as you can see, it's kind of fallish, the look, and the colors are too. Like, it's beautiful. It is so beautiful. I use this palette like every single day. I went up to Raleigh Rose. It's in Stonebrook Mall. I'm in the Dallas area, and I seen this palette, but it was only a sampler palette. Excuse all the black stuff. It ain't nothing but what is it? Eyelash glue. But anyway, this palette was sold out. I have been waiting and waiting and waiting for this palette, y'all. Like, y'all don't understand. But anyways, I got the palette. I called. It was in stock. I told them to hold it for your girl. So yes, they did that for me. This is what I'm going to be using today for this look that I did, which I am in love with. So if you guys are interested in how I achieved this look, stay tuned. So I'm going to start out with the Peter Llama Supreme Radiance Complexion Booster, and it's dark. A little of this does not go a long way. Then, because I have dry skin, I'm going to use the Ariza Beauty Dewy Glow Balm. It says it's for skin, lips, and nails, but I'm clearly going to use it for the skin. I do this because I'm trying to get away from the matte look. You don't see celebrities walking around with matte looks. It looks more like skin, you know. So I'm trying to get on that level, you dig? You guys, I have been waiting to use this palette. I don't know what colors to start with, but both of the palettes that I'm going to use are both from Pinky Rose Cosmetics, but I am going to start off with this palette as a transition color. Or am I? I'm not. I'm going to just use this whole palette. I changed my mind. Okay, so let's start the video. So I'm going to just prime my eyes using my MAC. Y'all, I'm tripping today. I'm using my Maybelline Concealer, which I love. Okay, so this is the color that I use, and I'm gonna go in with I'm gonna go in with this one, Becky. So I did Dreamsicle, and I'm gonna do Becky. And I'm gonna use that same brush. Oh my goodness. Now I'm gonna go in with this Pop Rocks color and put that in my outer V. I am going to cut my crease with the Maybelline Concealer in the number 40. Okay, so now I'm gonna take this, I don't know, what I should take? Probably this Tiki. Let's see what this look like. Cause I'm gonna put glitter on top of it. Oh my gosh, it's so bright. This is why it's called bright lights. Okay, so I'm gonna take that same brush and use this tickle on top of it. Okay, so I'm going back in with this purple. Okay. Now I'm gonna go in my favorite eyeliner by e.l.f. It's in the color Jet Black. Do me a wing today. Ooh.
Sharp.
Okay, so the eyes, at least the top part, is done, and we're just gonna beat the face. I'm gonna use the Maybelline 355 foundation. On the foundation, I don't use that much foundation on my face because I don't really need that much because I don't have like a lot of blemishes. So after I do that, I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline Fit Me. Is it Fit Me? I don't know, but the Maybelline Concealers in the number 55 and 40. Then I'm gonna use my same sponge, but I'm gonna spray mine really good with some dewy spray by NYX. I know y'all probably like, you're not gonna contour your forehead, you're not gonna contour your nose. Actually, I only contour under my eyes, but today I am gonna contour my nose just for the hell of it. But I normally just conceal under my eyes. That's why I don't really go too bright with the concealer under my eyes. Look, everybody have their own way of doing their makeup, so you know, and it's still gonna be cute with an R, cute. Yes. Okay, so let me calm down, girl. Then I'm gonna go in with my Ruby Kisses palette, contour palette in the color medium dark. And I'm going to, you know what shade I'm going to use. And I don't do my contour too dark either, folks. I just don't. It's just something so, you know, sweet and subtle. So the next step, I'm going to take my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish Powder in the color dark. And I'm just gonna use that to set my whole little face. Uh-oh, what is this, girl? I know what y'all thinking, right? I guarantee you, some of y'all, anyway, y'all avid makeup wearers, she did not set under her eyes. What do you think I'm doing? I'm using a powder and I'm setting under my eyes. Yes, it's a powder that's about my skin tone. However, I don't want a super highlighted look. So, yeah. Again, there's not a specific way to do your makeup. I see some people do foundation first, eyes first. Some people use what one person might use a certain brush for, another person might use the same brush for another purpose. It's all about you, how you like to do your makeup, how you achieve your look, what makes you feel the best. You don't have to follow trends. As long as you get the gist of it, you can make anything work. You don't have to have this brush that this person used or this what this person used, you know. Do you, boo-boo? Now, I'm gonna do my highlighter from MAC, the Gold Deposit. Oh, instant. So what I've been doing with my highlighter, instead of just putting it on top of my cheekbones, I actually take it out to my cheek. So, and it's just so pretty. So to finish up my eyes, I'm gonna use this same palette, my Bright Lights palette, and I'm gonna take that same tiki color. Tiki, I like that. Actually, I just lied to y'all. I'm gonna use my eyeliner first. This one is by the, I believe, oh, L'Oreal Infallible. This pencil is life, you guys. And then I'm gonna go in with Tiki under the eye. Then I'm going to take, where's the brush? The color Pop Rocks, that purple color, and pop it under my eye as well. Yeah. For my lips, I'm gonna use my NYX pencil in the color Espresso. Then I'm going to take my lip gloss in the color Rosy Future, and this is by Revlon. Y'all, these lip glosses are life, okay? Finish this up with my dewy finish spray and just spray that all over. Woo! Look at that glow. Yes, yes. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Please feel free to leave any type of feedback in the comment section. Tell me what you liked about this look. And I look forward to doing also another look with this palette because it's just so beautiful, you guys. So until next time, you already know your girl Kelsey loves you. Have a blessed one.